So for this video, another example na punta for integration of inverse trigonometric functions. In this case, we have integral of sine x plus x cosine x over 1 plus x squared sine squared dx. So mao din ni siya ang katong first three no na formula for inverse trigonometric function. Again, basta inverse trigonometric function, ang first yun yung nga hinumduman is ang iyang denominator kay both ang constant o ang imong katong nag-contain og x nga variable kay naka-squared gyud na siya. Okay, so dapat ang imo pong given nga function dire, dapat ang denominator naka-squared po na siya. So mo na atong buhaton karon. So, okay, so in this case, kini atong given, pwede na na siya i-rewrite as okay, sine x plus okay, wait. X plus x cosine x all over. So, kini siya 1 plus, then take note, kining x squared sine squared x, pwede nimo na siya isulat as, applyan nimo na siya properties of exponent, no? So, kana siya, pwede na nimo mahimong x sine x raised to 2. Okay? Kasi, dito sa properties of exponent, kini siya, pwede manin mo siya i-distribute, diba? 2 becomes x squared sine squared x. And then, you identify now what is your a and what is your u. So, this is what I'm doing so that you will be guided. What is your a and what is your u? So, of course, our a here is 1. The 1 is considered, kasi if we put squared here, that will still be equal to 1. Okay? So, that's 1. And then, atong u here is x sine x. Okay? X sine x ra gihapon. Okay? X sine x. And then, we will take the derivative of our u, which is the derivative of our u. Applyan nimo ni siya og product rule, okay? Sa pag-derive nimo. So, if we will use product rule, then that will be u dv plus v du. So, u dv, the derivative of sine is okay, cosine x plus v, which is the sine x. The derivative of x is 1. So, nakay mo ni imuhang du. So, take note, sa taas, you already have this one, no? Awa. The x cos x plus sine x dx is actually this one. Okay? So, that is now your du. Okay, so, if we will rewrite ang atong given, that will become du all over a squared plus u squared. So, kana siya, dara, which is si arctan. So, that's 1 over a, or 1 over 1 is just 1. So, that will become, ang answer nato now is arctan over u, ang u nato is x sine x over a, which is equal to 1. So, understandable naman na siya nga na ay over 1 dira plus c. So, that is now your final answer.